Want to stay relevant, earn more, and open up new opportunities in 2025? These 10 tech skills are not just hype, they're in demand, beginner-friendly, and have real earning power. Welcome back to Next Mindset. Subscribe if you're ready to build smarter skills for a smarter future. Skill 1, prompt engineering. In the age of AI, knowing how to ask the right question is everything. Prompt engineering is the new literacy. Learn how to talk to ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and other AI tools to get powerful results. Skill 2, automation with no-code tools. Zapier, Make, and Notion automations let you automate workflows with zero coding. It's like having a personal assistant for your business. Skill 3, AI video creation. With tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Descript, you can create content at scale without cameras or studios. AI video skills are huge for creators, marketers, and educators. Skill 4, data storytelling. It's not about knowing data, it's about explaining it clearly. Learn to visualize insights using tools like Tableau, Google Looker, or even Canva. It's 5 API basics. You don't need to be a developer, but knowing how APIs work lets you connect tools, build workflows, and understand what's possible. Use Postman or Zapier to explore. Skill 6, digital product building. Use tools like Gumroad, Card, and Notion to build ebooks, templates, and online guides. Solve real problems and sell passively. Skill 7, voice and audio production with AI. AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Adobe Podcast, and Murph let you create professional voiceovers or audio content fast. Perfect for creators, coaches, and educators. Skill 8, cyber hygiene and privacy awareness. With AI everywhere, protecting your identity, your data, and your accounts is a must. Knowing the basics of cybersecurity will be essential for everyone. Skill 9, personal branding for a tech world. Learn to showcase your skills online. Build a smart LinkedIn profile, a personal website, or a strong content brand. It gives you leverage and visibility in any industry. Skill 10, AI-assisted research and learning. The real skill isn't memorizing, it's learning how to learn. Use ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and Notion to explore ideas faster, deeper, and more strategically. These 10 skills are your cheat code for 2025 and beyond. They're practical, accessible, and pay off in money, time, and freedom. Which one will you learn first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tech and mindset tools. Smarter, faster, freer. See you in the next one.